ThatsSoYin, and I hope you guys all really enjoyed my last try on of the Velour No Trim collection. Now, I don't have the entire collection, as you guys might have noticed. I do have 4 styles of the 7 that they do offer. Now, in this portion of the video, I wanted to give some quick thoughts and reviews of these lashes, as well as their brand new Lash Go Eyeliner and lash adhesive. These things are just right now the talk of the town, the heat of the moment type of situation in the beauty community. So I'm really excited to tell you guys my thoughts and opinion on this. But before I get started, I wanted to go ahead and talk a lot about the lashes that I found that were my favorite, as well as the ones that I just felt like were not good. So I have one in each of those categories. The first one that I actually really love are the ones that I'm wearing. I was like looking at my lap like, where did I put it? But no, they're on my eyes right now, and they were the last style that I tried on, which was Would I Lie. Now these ones I feel like are really fluffy. Yes, they are short, but I think that for a look like this, which is what I actually wear a lot nowadays at least, I feel like it just complements the look, and it kind of gives my lashes the my lash but better, and it kind of looks like I grew that myself. So I really enjoy this one. The one lash that I felt like was not a hit for me was the first pair that I tried on, and this one was For Real Though. It's not the fact that the quality was bad, it was just the fact that the shape, how it's really round, does not mesh well with my eye shape. I have a very small almond eye shape, and I think that I just look better when lashes have a flare or a cat wing at the end, just because it elongates my eyes and it just meshes better with that almond shape. Now, each of the lashes in this collection retail for $26, which is really pricey. However, hear me out, okay? On Ulta's website, on their 21 Days of Beauty, sometimes the Velour lashes go on sale for half off. So if you're thinking about it, $13 is still kind of pricey, but I think it's still more affordable than $26. So as somebody who has a lot of lashes, and as somebody who has tried a lot of lashes from drugstore to high end, I can tell you guys right now that these Velour lashes are really lightweight, feathery lightweight. Like, I just don't feel them on my eyes, which is really interesting, but they stay on really well. Now, I do have to say though, these lashes are very delicate. These are not some lashes that you could just tear off the glue and toss back in your little kit. No, these are lashes that you really have to take care of. These lashes I felt like were put together with the utmost care. So for example, let's pick up the one that I showed you guys. So the one that I didn't like was For Real Though. I just want to show you right in here, you see some lashes that kind of fell out right there, and that's just me trying to gently take it out, and I gently take them out with some tweezers, which I can't find right now. I usually just take some tweezers like this and I will just pop it out, but for some reason this was just so delicate, and I believe it's because it has that invisible band on these lashes. Now, there are some styles here, like the second and third one that I tried out, that do have a non-invisible band. You could see that the band is a lot darker and a lot thicker, and these ones are the ones that you can, you know, tug off the lash glue with. But on cases where you do have an invisible band, you do have to soak your lashes in some type of micellar water and just gently pick at that glue. So a little bit more high maintenance, but at the same time, it does look like lash extensions or your lashes, but better. For $26, I definitely feel like you're competing with Lily Lash's prices. I think with Lily Lashes, you do get a variety of short lashes, natural lashes, as well as some va va voom big lashes. But the difference between this collection and Lily Lashes is that this one requires no trimming, and I think that's like luxury for me. It's like I can open this box and I could just toss it on without having to measure, and that's a blessing in disguise. Like, I never knew I needed that until now, because I just realized the ease of application that this gives me. But I am that type of person who loves those big voluminous lashes, not 25 millimeters, but big for my eyes. And I just think that this collection could use some of that. I think that there could be some length that this collection may be needing, and I think there's a market for it, because I would definitely pay $26 for long lashes that I don't need a trim. And really quickly, I wanted to go ahead and talk about their new Lash Go. Now this is an eyeliner and lash adhesive hybrid, and this comes out like a typical eyeliner. So you get the little wand like this. The wand is neither a felt tip or a brush tip. This one's actually a plastic tip, but it goes really, really thin, as you guys can see there. So on my eyes, I feel like the application was effortless. It didn't tug on my eyes, and it had really bold pigment. For something like this, I expected it to almost act like a lash adhesive. I mean, granted, I have tried other lash adhesives, and I feel like for a lot of the other ones that I have tried, I would have to go over my lash line a couple of times before I really had the lashes adhere. With this one, I feel like because it comes in this little inkwell tube, I feel like the application was a lot better because it's not in a pen where I have very thin product on my eyelid and it's just struggling to hold on to the lashes. I feel like with this one, you're able to really build up that lash line and that lash glue, that lash adhesive, and it's honestly easy. If you want to just apply your eyeliner like normal and you don't have time for glue that day to get tacky and dry, then this is a great alternative. I think that this was probably the saving grace to this entire lash try on, because when I was taking off and on my lashes, this was still tacky. I only did one layer, and this is the fourth lash, and it's still on there. Do you see that? So I really like this. I really am appreciative of it, and I really do see myself using this almost every single day when I am doing my makeup routine because of how strong it holds and it cuts out one step. And just like that, you guys, we're completed with today's video. Thank you all so much for watching this review. And I also want to thank Velour for sending me these lashes to try out. I didn't expect in a million years that Velour would be willing to send me some lashes. Like, this was so amazing, and I am so incredibly thankful. So thank you, Velour, for this amazing gift. And they also offered me a code for you guys. It's going to last a year, so it's going to give you 15% off. The code is JasmineYin15, and of course I will have it in the description box below in case you want to use it. The code will give me a very small commission, but if you want to use it, kudos to you. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.